Hi friends, today we will talk about the classification of cephalosporins and I will tell you some tricks by which you will be able to remember the classification within the next 4 minutes. So we begin. As we know that cephalosporins are antibacterial drugs and like penicillin, they act by inhibiting bacterial cell wall synthesis. They are divided into 5 generations. We will go through the drugs that belongs to each generation one by one. We begin with the first generation cephalosporin. The trick here is that the drugs in the first generation cephalosporins have Fa, PHA or PHRA in their names. So we look at the drugs along with the highlighted red letters in their names. So we have cefazolin, cefalothin, cephaloridine, cefadroxin, cephalexin and cephradine. There is one exception to this trick where cefaclor has Fa in its name but it is a second generation cephalosporin. Now we move to the third generation cephalosporins. The trick here is that the drugs in the third generation cephalosporins ends with the letters IME or ONE or TEN. So we have cefexime, ceftazidime, cefotaxime, ceftriaxone, cefpodoxime, ceftriaxone, cefoperazone and ceftibuten. Again, there is one exception to this trick where cefuroxime ends with the letters IME but it is a second generation cephalosporin. Apart from the above mentioned drugs, there are two other drugs which do not follow this rule but are third generation cephalosporins. So we can remember them separately. These are cefdinir and moxalactam. Now we come to the fourth generation cephalosporins. The trick here is that the drugs that have PI in their name are fourth generation cephalosporins. So we have cefepime and cefpirome. Now we come to the last fifth generation cephalosporins. In this, the trick is that the drugs that have ROL or ROL in their names are fifth generation cephalosporins. So we have ceftibiprole and ceftaroline. All the remaining drugs we can easily classify them into second generation cephalosporins such as cefoxitin, cefprozil, cefotitan and cefmetazole. So to summarize, drugs having Fa, PHA or PHRA in their names are first generation cephalosporins except cefaclor which is a second generation drug. Drugs that ends with IME or ONE or TEN are third generation cephalosporins except cefuroxime which is a second generation drug. Drugs that have PI in their name are fourth generation cephalosporins and drugs that have ROL in their name are fifth generation cephalosporins. Thanks for watching. If you find the information in this video beneficial, do like, share, but do not forget to press the subscribe button. Thank you.